Hey Mekorma users, my name is Beth, and today we're going to show you how to process checks and EFTs using Mekorma's Multi-Batch Management, or MMM. Multi-batch management allows you to build multiple payment batches from multiple checkbooks and companies using the MMM Action Board, accessible from any GP company set up with Mekorma. If you are not already familiar with MMM and how it can significantly improve your payment processing, please refer to the video on the Multi-Batch Management product page on our website. See the link in the description of this video. This video assumes you are using MMM on a local GP desktop client. We also assume that you have already activated MMM and that initial setup is complete, including configuration of named printers, posting reports, build IDs, and process IDs. If you need guidance on how to effectively set up MMM, please refer to our video Multi-Batch Management Setup and Configuration on our videos page, linked in the description below this video. Let's begin on the Multi-Batch Management Action Board. This window is what you will regularly use to build, process, and post your batches. When you open the action board, Build Payment Batches is automatically selected. From here, look up a process ID you have already configured. Upon selecting a process ID, the system will list all associated build IDs that make up the process ID. You will also see pending batch numbers. This number will change after batches have actually been built. Company, checkbook, type of payment included in the batch, and the currency used. If there are any issues preventing a particular batch from being built, this will display in the column Reason Batch Will Not Be Created. In this case, there are no error messages because all build IDs are set up properly and are ready to go. Once you've confirmed there are no errors, click Process. During the process, you will always see the company login window as Multi-Batch Management changes through companies. You can choose to show or hide other windows as well as the progress bar by opening the Options window here and selecting your preference. Additionally, while Multi-Batch Management is running through its process, the rest of the system outside of Dynamics is free for you to take care of other tasks. In the event that you need to access GP while batches are being built, you can click the Pause button in the Process Control window, found at the lower right-hand corner of your screen. This window will show you which batch is in process, and if you pause, it will complete building the current batch, and then wait for you to finish if you want to end the process, or resume whenever you are ready to continue. Once the system has finished building your payment batches, you can view the results of the build process in the MMM Build Results report. As you can see, these were the only payments that met the criteria in my builds. In other words, since no transactions were found to meet the build criteria I applied in these batches, they will not be built. This is an excellent report to send to approvers if you are using Mekorma's secure approval workflow. You can forward a single build results report to them rather than having them notified with every batch that is built. See Mekorma's videos page for more details about setting up the approval workflow. Notice that the results report also keeps track of how long the process took, so that you can plan your work and also see how much time you saved. Now it is time to process. When you choose Process Checks and EFTs, Multi-Batch Management will automatically display batches that have been built and are ready to be processed. If there are setup errors for any of the batches, a status message will indicate what you need to do to resolve the error. You also now have the option to sort batches by the criteria most useful to you by clicking on the arrow in the desired column. From here, mark the payment batches that you want to process and click Process. The system will then go on to print checks and generate EFTs across companies and checkbooks. You have the same option to pause the process in the Process Control window as mentioned earlier. When the system has finished processing your payment batches, you'll see the results report. Once you're done reviewing the results report, select the Post step in the Action menu. Now, because this system has been configured to automatically post and generate EFT files, only check batches are shown here. So mark the batches that you want to post and click Process. Once your payment batches have been posted, you can again view a report showing the final results of posting. The EFT files have been generated, but someone will still need to upload them to the bank. If a different user does that, the results report from the Process Checks and EFTs step could be useful to notify them that the files are ready to transmit. The final step will be to generate your SafePay files and send them to the bank. In this example, because of separation of duties, a different user is responsible for doing that. So we will send them the results report as well, and then they can log in to the action board to generate the files. After that, they will upload them to the bank. That's an example of how to use Mekorma's multi-batch management. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.